Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to review the Birkenstock cleaner kit and I will show you how to use it. First here we have the cork sealer. Take the cork sealer and squeeze the gel all around the cork of the shoe. Next, wait 15 minutes for it to dry. After that, take a damp cloth and wipe away all the gel. A pro of this gel is it makes the shoe look very shiny, but a big con that really bothers me is it doesn't actually seal the cork of the shoe. Now for the cleaner and refresher. Spray the whole bit of the shoe, then take a dry, soft cloth and wipe away all the dirt. Next, wait a couple hours for it to dry completely. Then, take the bristle part of your brush and just scrub away all the dirt. Now, a pro of this spray is it does an amazing job cleaning the shoe, and there are no cons. Now for the water and stain repellent, spray the whole bit of the shoe, then wait a couple hours until completely dry. A pro of this item is my feet do not turn orange in the rain, but a big con is the stain repellent doesn't work at all. Now for the brush. This part is for cleaning the shoe. This part is for changing the texture of the shoe or the nap of the shoe, as well as this part and this part. Thank you for watching. Bye!